My name is George Ricker. I was an undergraduate at MIT, and then I did a master's degree in astronomy at Yale, and then I came back to MIT and finished my PhD work in the group in high-energy astrophysics here. Currently, I'm a senior research scientist in MIT's Kavli Institute for Astrophysics and Space Research. I've always been interested in astronomy from the time that I was about, in the third grade. I built my own telescope at home. I grew up in Florida, and so there were lots of clear nights and people who were also interested in observing the stars. And so it was sort of a natural transition that when I did end up at MIT, that I took a lot of courses not only in physics, but I also took some courses in astronomy, and ended up saying, well, this is really what I want to do for the rest of my life. One of the things that characterizes MKI's work, as we call the Kavli Institute, is the way in which students, both undergraduates, grad students, and also postdoctoral students are involved in research. And for example, among the undergraduates, there's a special program called UROP, the Undergraduate Research Opportunities Program, in which students can actually either work for credit or actually receive stipends for doing research in our lab. Many students are involved in this. This summer there's something like 25 or 30 such students. I actually serve as the coordinator for the UROP program at MKI, and that's one of the most rewarding aspects of the work that I do here. The other way in which outreach occurs is that there's a large number of students who come to MIT from other universities and other countries. In our research group currently, about a third of the participants are from countries outside the U.S., but also in our group, more than half of the participants in the research programs involved in looking for exoplanets are actually women students, and they're both undergraduates, graduate students, and postdocs.